We live in a world quick to judge and slow to forgive. One mistake, one moment of weakness, and suddenly, people forget all the good you've ever done. But here's the truth. A stumble doesn't erase your story. It doesn't undo the kindness you've given, the hearts you've lifted, or the battles you've already won. Every one of us is a work in progress. We rise, we fall, we learn, and we rise again. And when someone stumbles, that's not the time to turn away, it's the time to remember their light. Because nobody gets it right all the time. Not you, not me, not even the people we admire most. Growth is messy. Healing takes time. And sometimes the strongest souls are the ones who've fallen hardest, yet still find the courage to stand back up. So next time you see someone fall, don't erase their good. Remind them of it. Remind them of who they are beyond their mistakes. Because sometimes the smallest act of compassion can help someone rebuild everything they've lost, starting with hope. If this message touched you, be the reason it touches someone else. TAP like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, then share it with one person who needs to hear these words right now.